It's all right, lady. We're professionals.
Yeah, come here. Get him on! Straight ahead, straight ahead.
All right,
Fingers? Oh, do shut up. Well, the old bird put up a good fight. I like that. Like a bit of spirit, woman.
That's all right for you to say. You didn't get smashed in the face.
Evening, General.
One party. Heel boy. Heel boy. Heel.
That's bad. Do you know what I think?
What's that?
I think that bulldog knows what we just done.
Dog, Horace. Dogs ain't got the brains to figure things out. Luckily.